my lane fast, call it high speed.
Welcome to episode 16 of Dance Simplified. Today we'll learn to do the funky chicken dance. So let's start with your leg. Lift your left foot off the ground and hop on your right foot at the same time. Boom. Now switch your feet and lift your right foot off the ground while hopping on your left foot. Boom. Now let's repeat and do these steps in 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it even faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Now let's learn to use your hands as well. Raise your left hand like you're throwing a punch. Boom. That's not funny. Do it again. Boom. And swing your right hand up and down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One thing to remember, the speed of your hand movements is slower than the speed of your feet movements. So when your feet are in fast count mode like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, your hand swing steps are slower in that same fast count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we mix these two steps together, it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with your body, we will learn to do the rock dance. Just slightly rock back and forth like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And do it to a fast count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's mix all of these steps together. When you swing your arm up and lift your left foot, you will slightly rock back. Boom. And when you swing your arm down, you'll slightly rock forward. Boom. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it to a fast count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's add some variation. You can open and cross your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can swing both of your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it with the music.
Like me, open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more beginner hip-hop moves, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.